In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add overlays in CapCut PC. If you want to place picture-in-picture video, B-roll footage, or even a transparent logo on top of your main video, CapCut makes the process very simple. Once you understand how track layers work, adding overlays becomes quick and easy, and you can use the same method for a wide range of creative edits. To get started, the first thing you need to do is bring your overlay asset into the project. Go to the top left corner and click on Media. From there, choose Local, then click the blue Import button. Now select the file you want to use as your overlay. This could be a video clip, a photo, or a transparent PNG graphic. The important thing here is simply getting that file imported into your media library so it is ready to use on the timeline. Once your file is imported, the next step is to turn it into an overlay. Click and drag that imported file from the media bin down onto track lane 2, placing it directly above your main video, which should be on track lane 1. This is the key idea to understand in CapCut PC. Anything placed on a higher track lane will appear on top of the clips below it. So by putting your second clip or graphic on track lane 2, you are automatically creating an overlay over your main footage. Now it is time to position and style the overlay so it looks the way you want. Click on the overlay clip in track lane 2 to highlight it, then look at the preview window and use the blue corner handles to resize it. You can make it smaller for a picture-in-picture effect, or drag it to any area of the screen to place it exactly where it fits best. This gives you a lot of control over both the size and placement without needing anything complicated. If you are working with a textured overlay or a darker visual element, you can also blend it more naturally into your main video. With the overlay clip selected, go to the top right Properties panel, open Video, then Basic, and scroll down to Blend. Try changing the blend mode to Screen, which can help remove dark areas and make the overlay feel more integrated. You can also adjust the opacity slider to control how strong or subtle the overlay appears, and that's it. Once your overlay is imported, placed on a higher track, and adjusted to fit your scene, you're done.